isolated after the worst hurricane for 25 years. Heavy rain struck first, followed by terrific winds. Homes are leveled, roads washed out, and livestock drowned. Bridges are swept away, and transportation of foodstuffs is seriously hampered. Important communications are completely wrecked. Martial law is in effect throughout the country. Reconstruction is already underway in the stricken republic, but the mounting loss of lives reveals the gravity of this terrible disaster.